If we're talking about ninja speed, no surprise, Cheetah is top on the list.
Paulo with Jay and the new puppy Kitty are all watching
After all, he's the
National
fastest animal on the
Geographic.
land, capable of
Like a family
accelerating from
affair.
0 to 60 in just 3 seconds.
We might have our own episode of National Geographic here in a second.
But it's not that simple.
It's their first day getting to know each other.
In fact, if the only thing this cat had going for it was raw speed, it might never catch a thing. Which is why, when it's time to hunt on the African
So far, they're being very nice.
the cheetah relies on some other, slower evolutionary advantages. It starts with his eyesight.
I think they might decide to be
With
friends.
long black marks that run from the inside
Or maybe not.
edge of his eyes to his mouth.
Yeah, I'm talking about
These
you.
cheetah lines mimic a rifle sight and help reflect the sun's glare. So when he starts to move, he can blend into the grass. And this is where the speed kicks in.
Where's Apollo going?
But it's more than just quick legs. A super flexible
Petting,
spine
Jake.
allows for a massive 21-foot-long stride. He can change direction as fast as the fleeing prey by using his tail like a rudder.
Apollo's going somewhere. He's exploring.
It takes the cheetah less than a minute to catch its prey.
He's gonna go somewhere dark. He's looking for a dark corner.
It's even quicker.
Or you should stick him down on the blanket between you and the puppy.
Storing fat so it doesn't have to hunt again.
Keep
for
petting the
days.
puppy so the puppy don't move.
And it stays hydrated by drinking its prey's blood.
Oh, you got the puppy having that.
No, it's all right. Try
The
it.
cheetah's superior, fast, furious, and
then pet the
lethal
puppy.
design. Cheetah, peregrine falcon. These are some of the fastest moving animals on Earth.
Dog's licking the lizard.
But there are other animals whose ninja speed is seen in a different way.
That's one way to get a bath.
Mamba. Sneaky, slithering, and reaching up to 14 feet. The mamba is quick, able to travel past 12 miles per hour, making him the fastest venomous